Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Wednesday, June. It's not June. Why do I want it to be June so quick? Today is Wednesday, May 27th, and today we're gonna be painting my room. So I'm about to get ready to leave my sister's house. My sister is actually gonna help me paint, and I'm painting my room white. If you watch my beauty videos, you'll see that my room is blue from when I was a child. So we're gonna up it up a little bit. So that's what this vlog is gonna be. So I'll show you guys like the equipment and stuff like that. So I'll see you guys when we're on the way back. So I just got back to my house where I stay, and I'm about to show you guys the stuff that we got to paint. So we got the paint. This is the brand we went with. We just got a gallon because I don't know how much. My mom is staring at me right now. You want to say hey to the vlog? She doesn't want to say hey to the vlog. But we got a gallon just in case.
Ooh, you look tired.
We don't know how much we using. Sorry. We just got a gallon, and if I need more, then I could just easily go back to Home Depot and get more. I also got this little package. It comes with 2 or 3 little roller blades, and then it has 2 to exchange, and then the little thing to put the paint in. And then I also got these brushes for like the cracks and stuff, so got those. And then the last thing that I got was some tape to clean everything up. So I'm about to eat, and then we're gonna, you know, figure out this whole painting situation. So okay, so we're gonna do this wall today and this wall today, and then tomorrow we're gonna do this wall, and then Friday we're gonna finish the ceiling. So this is how, let me show you guys. This is how my room looks before. Everything's all just mixed everywhere. This is how everything looks before.
Staring at the world through my rear view, just looking back at the world from another level, you know what I mean? Staring. Multiple gunshots clear the block, the fun stops. Snitches is calling cops, people shot, nobody stops. I wonder when the world stopped. Damn it, last night you get shot while the whole block. I will never understand this society, but they try to murder me, then they lie to me. Product of a John P. All my homies try weed. Now the little baby's crazy, ain't no fantasy. Tell me when my enemies flee when they see that. If it does, gotta limit.
We're not gonna take that risk, honey.
Did y'all do a double coat?
Y'all, look what I did to the wall. We did to the floor. We're gonna get it together, but we're just trimming the edges first. And your shoes are in it. Your face is not in it. Calm down.
Easy. Listen, to the intermission, stretch your heart for a plan. Turn the bad boys to grown men. It's on again, I give a holler to my niggas in the darkest corners. Roll a perfect blunt and let me spark it for you. One love from a thug, nigga, rolling with a posse full of paranoid drug dealers. To the end, my friend, I'm seeing nothing but my dreams coming true.
So we're making progress. So we went in with, why is it, the lighting is terrible because, maybe if I go on this side. Yeah, the lighting is just horrific, obviously. But we went in with the 1 coat. I still have to do the ceiling, but this is what we're looking like. We went on and took everything out the room. So, hey guys, so today is Friday, May 29th. I put it on the screen. It's about 12 p.m. Yeah, 14 minutes past 12, and I'm getting a late start to my room. because I ran out of paint. So I'm about to go to Home Depot. They have one that's about 10 minutes away from where I live, 10-15 minutes away from where I live. So hopefully they have the exact paint that I need. If they don't, then I'm gonna just take their drive to Airline. So that's what we're about to do. So let's go.
Staring at the world through my rear view. See, I'm seeing nothing but my dreams coming true while I'm staring at the world through my rear view.
Hey guys, I made it to Home Depot. I'm praying that they have the paint here at this store. So let's go, you guys. Go see.
They got me staring at the world through my rear view. Going baby, scream to God. He can't hear you. I can feel your heartbeat.
Guys, so that was way easier than, I mean, they had exactly what I needed, and then I also got some stuff to spray on the wood floor that I have to see if that paint will come up. Alcohol and water work, but my hands are so dry. But I just spent $38, which isn't bad. So hopefully I don't need any more because this is the second coat. But I'm about to go to Walmart really quickly, and then I'm gonna go home and we're gonna finish up this project.
He's the young black man. In order to get paid, crack sales. Caught a nigga, so they send me to these over black jails. In a cell, counting days in the slipping black hell. Do you feel me? Keys to ignition, use it to the roll with a 12-gauge pump for protection. Niggas hate me in this section from years of chin checking. Turn to Smith and Wesson war weapons. Heavenly Father, I'm a soldier. I'm getting hotter 'cause the world's getting colder. Baby, let me hold ya. Talk to my guns like they fly bitches. All you bitches must have won. Look at my pictures now. I know the answers to the questions. Your dreams come.
Okay, so update on my room. I'm done painting my room. The last thing I have now is to just paint my closet doors, which I'm doing right now. I did this one a little bit. I'm pretty much done. I'll show you guys the end. And I'm done with my room.
Edit me out of there.
No.
Yeah.
Still staring at the world through my rear view. Said now I know the answers to dreams come true. Staring at the world through my rear view. They got me staring at the world through my rear view. Go ahead, baby, scream to God, he can hear you. I can feel your heart beating fast, guess it's time to die. Getting high, watching time fly. You know my motherfucker staring at the world through my rear view. Go ahead, baby, scream to God, he can't hear you. I can feel your heart beating fast, guess it's time to die. Getting high, watching time fly. Staring at the world through the rear view. Go ahead, baby, scream to God. He can't hear you. I can feel your heart beating fast. Guess it's time to die.
Okay, so this is what we did. I put some shoes in here. I put the shoes that I don't really wear up top, and then today when I'm at Walmart, I'm gonna get a shoe little rack, and I'm gonna sit it like, I don't know where I'm gonna sit it at, but we're making progress, guys.
Getting high, watching time fly. You know, staring at the world through my rear view. Go ahead, baby, scream to God. He can't hear.